What if the secret to cellular energy has been inside you all along? Today, we step inside the playground lab to uncover the science behind NAD. Before we begin, remember that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm sharing information from published research and scientific literature. I'm not a doctor, and this isn't medical advice. Always talk with a qualified healthcare professional before making decisions about your health. What if I told you there's one molecule inside nearly every cell in your body that's essential for producing energy, and it naturally declines as you age? Today, we're exploring the science behind NAD+. Every second of every day, trillions of cells inside your body are working. They're producing energy, repairing damage, communicating with one another, and keeping you alive. None of that happens without one tiny molecule called NAD+. NAD+, or Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, is found in nearly every living cell. Think of it as the spark plug that helps convert the food you eat into usable cellular energy. Without enough NAD+, your cells simply can't perform at their best. The problem is that NAD+ naturally declines as we age. Stress, poor sleep, chronic inflammation, illness, and everyday wear and tear can all contribute to lower NAD+ levels. Researchers believe this decline may play a role in reduced energy production, slower recovery, decreased cellular repair, and many of the biological changes associated with aging.
I'm your cell's energy center, and I'm running low. When NAD drops, I can't produce energy efficiently. As we age and through stress, illness, medications, or alcohol, NAD levels decline. Less NAD means less cellular energy. I'm NAD+. Every cell in your body depends on me. I help mitochondria generate the energy that powers your cells. When energy improves, cells communicate more efficiently. Many people notice clearer thinking and improved mental clarity. I also support cardiovascular health and help improve metabolic efficiency.
NAD+ wears a lot of hats inside the body. One of its biggest jobs is helping mitochondria create ATP, the energy currency that powers every cell. But it doesn't stop there. NAD+ also helps activate proteins called sirtuins. These proteins are heavily studied because they're involved in DNA repair, metabolism, inflammation, and healthy aging. That's one reason NAD+ has become one of the most researched molecules in longevity science. If you've been following this series, you've probably noticed something interesting. In episode 3, we talked about MATC, which helps cells respond to metabolic stress and improve energy regulation. In episode 4, we covered SS31, which helps protect mitochondria from oxidative damage. NAD+ fits perfectly alongside those topics because it provides the fuel that allows those same mitochondria to produce energy efficiently. Think of it this way: SS31 helps protect the engine. MATC helps the engine adapt. NAD+ helps power the engine. Even with all the excitement surrounding NAD+, there are still important questions researchers are trying to answer. Scientists continue studying the best ways to increase NAD+ levels, how long those increases last, which delivery methods work best, and who may benefit the most. As always, science moves forward one study at a time. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to subscribe to the Playground Lab as we continue exploring the science behind peptides, longevity, metabolism, and performance. Next episode, we'll shift gears and explore DSIP, a fascinating peptide that's been studied for sleep recovery and nervous system function. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the lab. The The information presented in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is based on publicly available scientific research. It is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment, and are not approved for human consumption unless specifically authorized by regulatory agencies. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making decisions regarding your health. Thank you for watching the Playground Lab.